Work all day and fuck all night! Take fucking action! Subscribe now!
Number 3 rule is life is a numbers game. Again, this is so important because life really, truly is a numbers game. Everything you do, especially let's say in sales or marketing or finding a girlfriend or finding people to have sex with you, it's all the same, right? It is a numbers game, right? If you want to close a lot of deals, you gotta talk to a lot of people. Maybe 100 people you talk to, you close 2 deals, right? If you wanna do marketing, right? Maybe you have to try 100 different campaigns. You have to try 100 different ideas to find 2 that will drive traffic, drive results, right? If you want to put articles into the press, maybe you have to talk to 100 journalists. Maybe you have to, write 100 articles or whatever. You gotta try, and try again until you get the results. Life is a numbers game. Putting my dick inside some girl, that is also a numbers game. And let me tell you this story, right? I have to learn this the hard way. Remember I told you when I was a little kid, when I was young, I have this problem called social anxiety disorder, SAD, SAD. So what that means is that I'm scared. I'm terrified of people. Like, I have problems talking to people. I don't have that problem now, by the way, as you can see. But I was really scared to talk to people. Like when I see people, I would go, I would be so nervous I couldn't say anything. My brain would just go blank. And I don't know what to say. I don't know what words to use. It was such a huge problem. And I know this is gonna impede my life. I'm not gonna be successful. I'm not gonna get the results that I want. I'm not gonna put my dick in any girl if I have this problem, if I cannot overcome this problem. Right? And I tried many things. I did many things to overcome this problem. And again, it's trying many things, right? I go up to a lot of girls, man. I go up to a lot of girls, and I act like an idiot in front of so many girls. This is like in my late teens and early 20s, and I did that. I did that to, well, many reasons. One, I really do like to put my dick in some girls, and 2, I really want to overcome my SAD, and I know I can do it because, again, thought becomes reality. I know I can do it, right? And I have to take massive action. I have to talk to a lot of people, and I know life is a numbers game. Where do you think those rules come from, right? Life's a numbers game. The more people you talk to, the more success you will have. The more girls you talk to, the more vaginas you're going to be inside of. And let me tell you, I've been in a lot of vaginas, okay? I've been inside a lot of vaginas. And I'm nearly 50. I'm still going at it. I'm still in a lot of vaginas, okay? Because life is a numbers game, all right? And if you truly understand that, you will have tremendous success. You have so much success, so much success. 1, thought becomes reality. 2, take massive fucking action. And 3, life is a numbers game. You have to talk to a lot of people, reach a lot of people, try a lot for something to happen. Those are the top 3 rules from me to achieve success. And I know they can work for you. And while we're at it, go check out my other 8 rules. I have total of 11 rules that I believe drive my success. I know they can work for you if you actually take fucking action and follow them and do it. But I know most of you cannot because people are shit. And really, I think really 0.1% of the population can do it. Most of you cannot. And that's just something that I have to settle with. Take fucking action and don't be a fucktard.